What's happening meanwhile in the Mahavikas Aghadi after the defeat in Maharashtra elections, and could there be a rift? Are there cracks emerging, specifically after a lot of confidence but an embarrassing defeat? Uddhav Thackeray's group's netas are saying next elections must be fought independently. This is a big statement. The Uddhav Thackeray Sena group is saying possibly had they fought separately, independently, they could have won better. They fought as an alliance of Mahavikas Aghadi. The Congress neta is just and now saying instead that just like the Sena UBT leaders, those in the Congress also wanted to fight the election separately. So a lot of introspection happening right now. And let's go across to my colleague on the ground, but also listen in to what these leaders are saying. Separate parties, but similar statement, and why?
खबरें हैं उसमें कोई तथ्य नहीं है। महाविकास आघाड़ी में हम चुनाव लड़े लोकसभा में और हमें अच्छा कामयाबी मिली। 30 से भी ज़्यादा लोकसभा की सीटें जीतना ये बहुत बड़ी बात थी और हम महाविकास आघाड़ी में लड़े। तब ये किसी का कहना नहीं था कि हमको महाविकास आघाड़ी से बाहर निकलना चाहिए। विधानसभा के नतीजे आने के बाद ये किसी की व्यक्तिगत भूमिका हो सकती है जो हार गए हैं या कुछ और बातें हैं। वो कह सकते हैं कि नहीं हमको कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन जिस तरह से ईवीएम का घोटाला सामने आ रहा है, जिस तरह से पैसों का इस्तेमाल हुआ है, तो उनकी जो हालत है वो सबकी बुरी हुई है। कांग्रेस को भी उसका धक्का बैठा है, एनसीपी को बैठा है, पवार साहब जैसे बड़े नेता को हमको भी बैठा है। हम तीनों को मिलकर उस बारे में एक साथ बैठकर चर्चा करनी है।
What is left of the MVA is the question. Whether you leave or don't leave, it makes zero difference. Do understand this tsunami and the mandate which has come to the Mahayuti is based on good governance and good work, not just mourning false narratives and blabbering on television, which has seemed to be the narrative of the Ubata Sena. I don't want to comment on another political party, but I definitely want to say the Mahayuti is here to stay and to work in the interest of the people of Maharashtra. For all those who lost their ideology, who threw it away for lust for power, I think the public has given a befitting answer.
My colleague Dipesh Tripathi is joining me for the latest on that. Dipesh, very interesting statements, isn't it? Now they feel they should have fought independently, but that was always known. Their ideologies were always in different extremes. What is happening now? And with the Mahavikas Aghadi, could we see more cracks coming in, or eventually will they unite?
Pooja, yes, definitely. The Mahavikas Aghadi, the party which came to form a government in 2019, was not an ideological alliance parties from the very beginning in the Maharashtra politics. But but from time to time, the drift between these parties we have seen a lot, and now today we have seen again the heat up coming after the results of the Maharashtra elections. Shiv Sena UBT leader Ambadas Danve clearly said that if they have fought alone, then they have might more seats than right now they have. And on the other side, Vijay Wadatiwar of Congress said that Congress party workers even wanted to fought alone. But the thinking changes from person to person, and what is the line of the party, that is the most important thing. But Sanjay Raut tried to mellow down the situation by saying that we have been fought in a Mahavikas Aghadi, and the blame is totally on EVM and not on with whom we fought with. So definitely the rift between the Mahavikas Aghadi is clearly seen, and we have seen that both the leaders have started commenting on the loss which they face, in this election. But we have to see that what stand will they take in upcoming elections, which are a few months ahead, the Mumbai Mahanagar Palika election and other BMC elections. Pooja.
All right, so a lot perhaps for them to introspect if they can or should they stay together as an alliance, even if now they are saying should have rather fought independently. Thank you very much, Dipesh. We'll be tracking all the latest on that.